Hi, I'm Amy Tangerine, and this is my Simple Page Kit with Creative Memories. What's great about the Simple Page Kit is that it's perfect for beginners and seasoned crafters because all of the guesswork is done for you already. On the back, you see the numbers, so you know exactly where to cut and where to place the pieces. We have the base pages right here, and you get everything you need to create, including the instructions. So all you need to add are your photos and your creative spin. If I were to pick one thing I love most about this collection, it's how vibrant and fun and uplifting it is. But really my favorite part is always seeing how you make it your own. So one of my favorite things about these stickers is that the watercolor washes came out so perfect and true to what the designs actually look like. They are simple stickers to use that you can just peel and stick. Okay, so I make the longest cut first, and it's easy to line up with the arrow. Simply push down and cut. Super easy to lay out just as the sample is created, and you can reveal certain details and follow step by step. Once you have all the pieces laid out, you just take your adhesive and glue it down. A little goes a long way, so you don't have to go all the way around the edges. You can just spot it and you'll have a good adhesion. And for the final piece, number 6. Now we're ready for our photos. So I'm going to flip through my photos, and they don't actually have to be all from the same event. You can mix and match as you please and just choose your photos based on whatever makes you happy. Sometimes we get trapped into thinking that we have to stick with a theme or a color scheme, and that just isn't true. Yeah, that's where you hold it. And then it doesn't get fingerprints on your photos. Yeah. Perfect. Look how cute that is. That is so cute. Once you have all your photos trimmed, you can go ahead and glue them down. And same thing with the adhesive here. You don't have to use a lot. A little goes a long way. Okay. Oh, I like it. So it's repositionable, which is nice because I realized that I didn't put the photos exactly where I wanted to. So I simply lift up and restick them. So after some time, the repositionable adhesive actually becomes permanent, so you don't have to worry about your photos lifting off. I love the dot roller. Okay. Photo down. One other way to change your photos to all go together if they're from different events is to change them to black and white or sepia. All right, now that the photos are done and adhered, I'll start adding the stickers. They are laid out nicely for you already, so you can take out the guesswork and get to the fun parts. So starting with the borders, just place them down like so. This is done in my watercolor writing. Now to this side, we're going to take this gorgeous watercolor splash and add it over here. Finishing up with the stickers. Adding that one down, and then these little cute washi tape strips. They're so fun and can be added to the top and the bottom of this journaling spot. Isn't this so satisfying, using up all the stickers? So part of the inspiration for this collection was obviously color, and one of my favorite ways to apply color onto paper is watercolor. The washes and the vibrancy really come through. The textures come through on the stickers too. I think you'll have a lot of fun playing with these elements. Penmanship in memory keeping plays a big role just because I really want to encourage you to use your handwriting no matter how you feel about it. So even if you don't love your handwriting, or maybe you do enjoy practicing, it's something I encourage you to make sure you have on your pages. One of the things about journaling is the more you do it, the less you overthink it. And I want you to go easy on yourself when it comes to journaling. If you do want to write it on a separate piece of paper first, that's fine, but I am one to just try to speak from the heart and go for it onto the page. So the journaling says, either at home or away, we can find the most beautiful reasons to smile. There are so many reasons to celebrate the everyday moments with those we love. All right, that journaling is done. I want to add just a little bit of the title work that I cut off here for the photo. It said, create the life of your dreams. So I'm going to take the thicker end and add my final personal touch. What I would say to somebody who doesn't think they're creative is that you are creative. We all have something to share with the world, and to tap into that creativity, do so by exploring what gets you excited, what lights you up. And just like that, we're done. And here are the finished pages. If you want to add a little bit more color into your world, this is a great collection to do it with. It's so fun to piece together random pops of color. This is an opportunity for you to embrace your colorful side.